Hey there, it's Mark. For about 2.5 years on Race Grooves, I was doing Johnny Lightning case unboxing videos, or well, actually, I was doing round 2 unboxing videos, which included Racing Champions, Mint, Auto World, and Johnny Lightning. I did it for 2.5 years, and then I had to let them know that I can't do it anymore. I still have at least one assortment of each brand that I need to unbox. I'm going to do it here on the Mr. Grooves channel. Here we have Racing Champions Mint 2018. Yes, it's from last year. Like I just said, I stopped doing the unboxing videos 1 year ago. Let's go ahead and check them out. I have 2 cases. This is an A case assortment. That's A. 2 cases of B. I'm just going to unbox them. I will not be opening them up and putting them on the turntable like I did. I'm afraid I just don't have the time for that. With my editing, a lot of people know, some people don't know how much time it actually takes to film and edit. And I just can't do it no more. And I don't want to open them up. I want to keep them in the package so that the next person gets it in the package. Chevy Silverado, 1999 Chevy Silverado. Rubber tires. As a matter of fact, I never got a, by the way, metal base too. Metal body, metal base. I never got a gold strike as far as I know. There's the metal base. Check it out, dualies in the back, and it does look like they are separate wheels. It does not look like it's molded to look like 2 tires. It does look like it is actually 2 tires. Pretty nice. Opening hood, I should show you that for sure. Even though I'm not opening it up. Racing Champions, opening hood, licensed models, metal bodies, mostly metal bases. Sometimes they might have a plastic base because sometimes they would borrow a vehicle from another brand that they have. This one does say Racing Champions Mint on the base. A little hard to see through the package. Anyways, we'll just move on. Opening hood. There's your nice license decorations. Hood light decoration. You get your Ford logo. You have your headlights, turn markers on the side, tail lights. This one does not have a license plate, but it does have the F350 Super Duty logo on there. This is the A case assortment. By the way, the other 2 were limited to 2,500. I just looked. Once I seen this one here. Here you have the 1970 Richard Petty Plymouth Superbird. This is a signature car right here. That's for sure. 1970 Richard Petty Plymouth Superbird. Rubber tires. Thin racing wheels, I guess. Opening hood. Yeah, this is, if you're going to be selective when you add Racing Champions Mint models to your collection, this is definitely one model that most collectors would add. Check out all those licensed graphics on the side. None of them will be fictitious. All of them should be authentic licensed graphics. No taillight decorations. Let me just take a peek. Yeah, Racing Champions base. Hey, we have 2 Petty cars in here. Richard Petty Oldsmobile, number 88, 1957 Oldsmobile. Number 43 again. And I do remember this much, mostly because it was in the Hot Wheels line. But nonetheless, 43, 44, and 45 were Petty numbers. There's your license decorations. It does not look like it has an opening hood. And it might have a plastic base. And see, this is a sample to where it has a Johnny Lightning base. There's the Johnny Lightning logo, plastic base. But again, it's a nice adult collectible. Check it out, funny cars. And there was another one stuck in the box here. So Racing Champions Mint, Racing Champions, right? Ron Capps, NHRA funny car, 2017, National Hot Rod Association, it says underneath. Very cool. Are these the same? Let me take a look. They do look like the same tooling. Let me see, check the name. Ron Capps, NHRA funny car. I guess funny cars are going to have the same bodies, no? There's a look at that real quick. And a look at that. Let's see. Sorry, plastic. I can't tell if it has a plastic or a metal base. And it probably does open. Knowing how they would make their products, I see a hinge. See the yellow? See a hinge right there. So this probably opens up. Be a nice addition. Now, Racing Champions Mitt, I think they call them gold strikes. So looking for a gold color, if I recall color correctly. I thought they had a thing with tinted windows too. This looks normal. 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 Right there on the back. Introducing Gold Strike. Generally, 2% of our entire production run are Gold Strike chase car variations. These are bonus versions of each vehicle mixed in with the regular release. 2 or more features of the car will usually be changed to gold. It may be the body, chassis, wheels, tires, anything else. So that's a sample of a Gold Strike. And that one is definitely not gold. And we have light blue, blue, and last the green. Now let's take a look at this. These should be alternate colors of the same models. So we have black and blue. I will just get up close just for a moment so you can check out the difference. This one's a bit patriotic. Light blue. I don't know. This one I am going to compare because I know the other one was all light blue, but I don't know what the difference of this one would be. Production run again, 2,500, 2,500. So you have light blue and the white accents. Number 42. And then for this one, number 43, number 43. I don't know. I'm going to pause and then I'll come back. Down in the corner you see version A, and this one is version B. Version A, the graphics are different. They have different licensed graphics, different licensed logos. They're not all the same. Some are missing. Not only that, this one on the fender, it says Mark Times Racing News right there on the wheel. On the fender, Plymouth, or what? Oh, Plymouth by Petty. And then this one, you can see it's kind of hard, but this one does have the Plymouth by Petty. And the Southern Chrysler Plymouth High Point Incorporated. So there's your sponsor, different sponsors. Otherwise, very, very similar. I guess if that was his paint scheme for racing, then it would not change. You're going to keep it the same. All that would change are their sponsors. Makes sense to me. And let's go ahead and see if we happen to get a Gold Strike in this other one here. At a glance, that one's different color. That one is like a goldish color. I don't know if it's the gold. That's a Gold Strike. Could be tan. Here's the brown. I don't know if this is a Gold Strike. I will have to check it out. Oh, wait a second. I already opened, this is the second box, right? So, that's not the truck. I'm missing a truck. Nope. I forgot. Version B, release 1. Nope, this was the one. Same one. I doubt that I got 2 Gold Strikes. That would be pretty rare to get 2 Gold Strikes. But I will check, and if this does happen to be a Gold Strike, I will put the information on the screen and might most likely just say nope. There's these 2 again. There you go. Racing Champions Mint. Excellent quality die-cast cars. It's just a matter of where Race Grooves is at the moment. The future of YouTube. And the amount of time I have, I just had to stop. I do have more coming for Johnny Lightning and Auto World. Thanks for watching. Happy collecting. Bye-bye.